Construction is a long and demanding process. Keeping track of multiple job sites can be challenging. You need a simpler approach to monitor the progress, track the activities, and ensure safety. How do you do it? Introducing OpticVyu artificial intelligence image processing trained to easily identify construction vehicles and workers. Get automated AI-based tracking to make reconciliation easier. Track historical weather stats along with impact and productivity analysis. See how OpticVyu's new AI makes project management safer and easier than ever.